Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. And this is my sous chef Ian. Today we're gonna make some omelets for you. And this omelet is a 1 meal a day. You can have it for 1 meal, or you can make it keto style, where you'll just omit the tater tots. But everything in here is fresh vegetables and some bacon. And who doesn't love bacon? Look at all of this tasty bacon for you. I am also going to show you how to seed out your peppers, your green pepper, really fast and easy. And I'm also going to show you what really makes a tasty omelet is when you have clarified butter. And this is what clarified butter looks like. I've already done one. So you can do two things. You can buy clarified butter yourself, which is a little costly, or you can make it yourself. Now it's a little time consuming, but it's well worth it. You'll save some money. So to do the peppers, what you want to do is puncture it all the way down, and you'll see that the seed will be right in there. Then I'm going to take my knife and just kind of show you. We're going to open up the pepper, and you're going to see how the whole seed is right there. I'm going to also show you how to use your cutting skills. So after I slice the peppers into slices, now we're just going to go down and cut it into small chunks, and you go down and you rock up, down and you rock up, and you notice that I'm clawing my fingers back in the process. Down and you rock up, and then you can rough chop, and this is considered rough chopping. So I just took a bunch of spinach, and you just want to roll it up. And again, we're down and up, down and up. And I'm clawing my fingers back, down and up, down and up, down and up, and then rough chop it. Here's our vitamin content. Now I'm showing you how to clarify your butter. And so you want to get it to be completely melted. And what we're going to do is remove the milk solids from it. You want to make sure you're on low heat so you don't burn your butter and it doesn't become brown butter. You want it to be clear butter in its purest form. And as it's melting, you want to start to remove your whey, which are these milk solids here. So we're going to use a little bit of, I would say about 3 tablespoons of clarified butter so you could cook your vegetables. You're going to cook your mushrooms that you had. You're going to take your peppers. You're going to get the onions too. You also want to give a tiny little bit of Himalayan salt to your vegetables. Some black pepper. You kind of want to just let your vegetables cook up, soften. Now is a good time to put your spinach because they'll wilt really quickly. Look how beautiful bright green that is. So now we're going to put this back in a bowl and we're going to let it cool down, and we're going to work on making our omelet. And here are a list of ingredients. You want to crack your egg. You want to use 4 eggs for your omelet, actually, because you're going to have a lot of goodies that you're putting inside. So now we're ready to whisk our eggs. Just going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt, some black pepper, and some heavy cream. This will make your omelet fluffier. And that was about a teaspoon. And the secret ingredient that I think makes everything yummier is some everything bagel seasoning. So we're just gonna pour our omelet here. And while it cooks up, you always want to kind of move your pan around so all of the egg can get cooked. And once we get a lot of that cooked, then we'll turn it over and we'll start adding our cheese, which is our glue, and our vegetables, and our tater tots or hash browns or sweet potatoes, whichever potato family you want. Or if you're doing keto, you don't want to add any potatoes. Well, you wouldn't add any potatoes. That's fine. You can do that as well. The other key to making a great omelet is slow and steady. When you see that most of this is all cooked up and you have very little left on your edges, that's a good time to flip your omelet, like now.
Oh, neat.
There you go. So now that you flipped your omelet, you want to start preparing your glue, which is your cheese. You can use any favorite cheese that you like. But here I have mild cheddar as well as some Monterey and Colby. And I'm gonna put my veggies on top of it. Guys, get your veggies in. All your vitamins. You have the spinach, which has vitamin K in it. You have the bell peppers, which has vitamin B6, and it also has some vitamin C. So the key is to have all your veggies cooked ahead of time. I don't know about you guys, but I love veggies. So you put as much veggies as you like. And in here you have the goodies of your tater tots, if you're a person that loves potatoes or can have potatoes, depending. So, and we're also gonna turn around and put some cheese on this. Can't forget about the bacon. And so we are gonna close our omelet. Here we go. And tell me this is not a full meal for you. Wait for your cheese to melt. You can put a lid over it if you like. Just to kind of let your omelet just steam up and finish cooking, melt your cheese. And you just want to put your lid for about a minute for all that steam to come up and cook up. And here's your omelet. Let's eat.
Bon appetit.
Guys, you have to try this. The creaminess of the eggs, the little saltiness from the bacon, the potato with some crunchy pieces in it, the vegetables being so tender and tasty. Please do not forget to subscribe and like. Love you guys. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.